You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce the name of this baseball player currently playing for the Rangers? Make sure to stay tuned if you want to learn more names of the Texas Rangers and more names from baseball. In the US, it's pronounced as Adolis Garcia. Adolis Garcia. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.